selecting the text. In Word, most of the work related to text is done in 2 steps. Step 1. Selecting the text. Step 2. Applying the desired changes. There are 2 ways to select text in Word 2016. You can select all the text in a document or select specific text by using the mouse or keyboard. You can also select text or items that are in different places. Let us now learn the ways to select text. Selecting all text. To select all the text in a document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the document. Step 2. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all the text in the document. Selecting specific text. You can also select a specific word, line of text, or 1 or more paragraphs. To select specific text in a document, follow these steps. Step 1. Place your cursor in front of the first letter of the word, sentence, or paragraph you want to select. Step 2. Press and hold Shift key while you drag your cursor to select the text you want.